What if I told you that in a place where people live among mountains of trash, there is a sound more beautiful than any concert hall? This is Cateura, Paraguay, a town where a violin costs more than a house, and hope is the rarest treasure of all. But here, a group of children did the impossible. They didn't wait for instruments. They built them from the garbage under their feet. Get ready to hear the story of the Recycled Orchestra, where waste becomes wonder and trash becomes a symphony. The world sends us garbage. We send back music. In Paraguay, there is a place called Cateura. It's not a city of gold, but a city built on a landfill. Here, people live by sorting through what the world has thrown away. For the children of Cateura, a violin cost more than a house. To have nothing is not an excuse to be nothing, said Favio Chávez, a social worker with a vision. Favio wanted to teach music, but he had no instruments. So he turned to a garbage picker named Cola. Together, they began to experiment. An oil drum became a cello. A water pipe became a flute. Packing crates became guitars, and tuna cans became the keys of a saxophone. They weren't just making noise. They were making perfect, beautiful sound. The children began to practice. In the middle of the smell and the dirt, the air was filled with Mozart and Beethoven. At first, the community didn't understand. But as the music grew louder, the spirit of Cateura began to change. News of the Recycled Orchestra spread. Soon, they were invited to play in the world's greatest concert halls. From the slums of Paraguay to the stages of Madrid and New York, the world stood up and cheered. These children proved that their environment did not define their worth. They transformed waste into wonder. The world sends us garbage. We send back music. This became their motto. Today, the orchestra has helped hundreds of kids get an education and a future far away from the landfill. Remember, your value is not what you have, but what you create with what you've been given. What music will you make today? The children of Cateura didn't just change their own lives. They showed the world that beauty can grow anywhere if you have the heart to plant it. Their instruments are made of scrap, but their music is made of pure gold. It's a reminder that your circumstances don't define you. Your creativity does. So, the next time you feel like you have nothing, remember the orchestra that played Mozart on an oil drum. What is the trash in your life that you can turn into music? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to create your own masterpiece today.